and welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to convert a 3D model into a mold using ArtCamp. So let's go to the page. I opened my ArtCamp. I set a mold size of 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and I created a small 3D design, which is a fish. A fish looks like a fish, an ugly fish, but it's good enough. Now what we need to do is to import the fish. We'll go with reliefs, import 3D model. So it's the fish that we need to import. Okay, once we're done importing, so it will show you the design of the fish and the design of your mold. What you need to do is to place it on the right place using the tools before you press apply or close. So it's important that you redesign your model by first center, okay, and then rotate it a little bit, okay. And what I'm going to do here is 45 degrees, apply, and then I'm going to scale it down a little bit to 80%. I hope it's enough, maybe more, maybe another 90%. Okay, so this is it. This is my model now on my sheet. Okay, it's so simple. What you need to do now is paste your model. Okay, and then you close, and then you have your model here, your 3D model that you designed. What I'm going to do now is to create a mold. What I'm going to do is press the square rectangle. I'm going to do small square like this, create, and then go to it. By the way, you click here for 3D model. Okay, you click back here for the design, shape editor, and then you subtract certain subtract, apply. What do the subtract does? It like lowers your model and makes a box, preparing it for molding. So I still need to go further a little bit with the subtract. So I'm gonna go another subtract 10. Okay, so it's like this now. The model is inside a box, which I'm gonna use for 3D. See, it's enough. This is my mold now. So once we are done with the mold itself, now what we need to do is to learn how to engrave this mold. Okay, so basically what we need to do is to go back. Now we go to the assistance, we go to the tool paths. We have two types or many types of tool paths. Then the things that we need to do or to use is 3D tool paths. 3D tool paths. Okay, the first process that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the selected vector. I'm gonna do cleaning the area of the mold. So I will clean all the materials here and leave some materials for the shape itself. The tool, I'm gonna use 3mm end mill. You could use any tool you like, but like the tool I have is 3mm. You could also use the ball head. Okay, the material I'm gonna use is around this is a very important, around 50 mm 5. Okay, and I could even go more if I would like to, like I could go up to let's go with 80. Okay, the material 0 is very important. The 0 is on the top. Okay, the 0 is in the top, and the offset it should be clean in the top. Okay, and my model is 90, and the rest of the material is around 60. Okay, so I'm gonna press. So the thickness again is 80. The offset, top offset, is 0. Then the material, I could change the top offset if I don't have a very clean surface material. It's not clean, like it's not flat 100%. So I could do 5. Okay, my model is 20, and the rest of the material will be 55. Okay, so as shows here. Press OK. Okay, and now I choose the strategy of the movement. I don't need that, but let's call it first, or number one. I will show you what happened right now. So this is the tool bath, okay, to clean the area of the mold. Okay, and it's closed now, and I will show you an simulation of it. Let's go fast. Okay, this is how it's gonna eat the material, and I'll try to speed it up. Okay, it's gonna take a long time to do that. Okay, so we notice that after the simulation is done, the details of the fish are not clear. So what we need to do now is to use another tool that is so fine to engrave the rest of it. What I'm gonna do, go back, choose my box, okay, and then this time I'm gonna use machine relief, okay, the selected vector, choose my boundaries, okay. The tool I'm gonna use is so fine this time, so okay, let me check. Okay, this is ball nose for 3D. Okay, those are fine tools that you could use, or you could do your own. Okay, see. Okay, what I'm gonna use right now, I'm gonna go with one of them. Sorry, not those, but the fine ones. Okay, so this is the fine one. I'm gonna copy it, okay, and edit it, and design my own. So my own one. So this is the F. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the F, and I set it to 0.2. Okay, and the angle is around, some of them that I have is around 20. So this is it. So I'm gonna call it 0.2 my tool. Okay, so the maximum cut depth is larger than the maximum depth C that you can cut by this tool. Is this okay? Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna select it, and now I'm gonna do the process. Before I do this process, I'm gonna go. So this is the fine bit that will engrave my model, and it's so fine, it covers the whole material. Let's do a simulation for it. So before I do a simulation, I will hide it. This is the first bit that will clean my mold, clean the extra material, take it away. This is it, and this is the fine mold that will cut and show me the details. Okay, what I'm gonna do is to simulate all of them. Let me save. Okay, and simulate all of them so you guys can see. Okay, so this is my model, and now I can make a mold out of this. Okay, a little bit probably needs cleaning here. Okay, I need to clean the edges, but this is it. Okay, now what I need to do is to export, okay, my tool baths. Of course, you cannot have two tool baths at the same PLT file or file. You'll start with this one first, and then save this one as another file. Run this one first and then run the other one. Okay, good luck. Thank you very much.